Welcome guys. Now once I open my Camtasia recorder, we'll come across this screen here. Now if I just this box here we got couple of options. The first option is full screen. Now for example, if I customize my selection, for example I decrease it. Now if I just click on this full screen, it will extend my selection to full screen. Okay, you can see if I just click on this customize and make it smaller, and if you're facing any problem like your screen recorder is recording too small area, just click on this full screen. It will extend it to the full screen and it will record the whole screen. Okay, after that the next option we got here is custom. Now if I just click on custom, you can see I can customize my selection. If I just click on this lock icon, it will also keep it aspect ratio. You can see I can increase and decrease it from any angle, but it is keeping it aspect ratio like this. You can see. And if I just click on this lock icon and unlock this, now I can change or increase or decrease any selection from any area. You can see I can increase or decrease from this area, I can increase or decrease from this area. I can also move my selection box like this. You can see I can just select any area which I want to select. Okay, if I just click on this lock icon again and I increase it, you can see it will again keep its aspect ratio, but still I can move my box. Okay, I'll increase it from here. After that, if I just click on this icon, here we got couple of options. Now if I want to record my screen in wide screen 16:9 ratio, what I'll do is I'll select 1080 pixel HD or 720 pixel HD and 480 pixel. Okay, after that if you want 4:3 ratio, just select 1024 pixel or 640 pixel. And the last option here you'll see is recent areas. Now this is the selected areas which I have recently opened. Okay, after that if I just click on select area to recorder, if I just click on it, now I can select the area which I want to record. For example, if I want to record this, you did not come this far to only come this far. If I just want to record this text, what I'll do is I'll create a box around this text. I can just drag it and create a box around it. Now it will start recording this area if I just click on this recorder. Okay, I can easily create this recorder box. Again I'll click on full screen. Okay, now if I just click it again, if I just click to lock to application, it will only record the application which I have recently opened or which I have opened right now. Okay, after that here we got bunch of recorded inputs option. The first is camera. If I just click on this, it will open my camera of my laptop, or you have connected any camera or any input device to your system for recording your clip. If I just click here and click on integrated cameras, okay, it will start recording which camera is integrated into my PC. I will off this right now. You can see if you have integrated any other camera and plug in your another camera into your PC, it will start recording from that camera. Okay, and currently I am using OBS Studio to record this screen, so it is also showing me OBS virtual camera. Okay, after that the next option here will see is audio on. Okay, if I just click on it, it will stop recording my audio. If I just click it again, it will start recording my audio again. And if I click here, we got bunch of option here. Now if you have connected couple of audio devices into your PC or laptop, you will got couple of option here. Now for example, if you have connected your USB mic and lapel mic and other mic related mic, you'll got bunch of option here. Now I have currently plugged in one mic, so it is showing me one mic. Okay, and after that if you just don't want to record your system audio, just uncheck this, and if I check mark this, it will also record my system audio. For example, if I play any video clip or any stuff in my PC or laptop, it will also record that audio. After that the next option here we got is audio controller. Now if I increase it to full extent, it will record more audio coming into mic, and if I decrease it, it will decrease the amount of audio coming into the mic. Now if you increase it to the full extent, it will also capture background noise and lots of other noises. So I will recommend you to keep it somewhere here and keep your mic close to your mouth so that it only record your audio, not background noise. Okay, after that the next option here says recorder. Now if you just click on it, it will start recording your screen. We will talk about this, and we'll also talk about capture effects and other tools and stuff like that in upcoming videos.